So earlier, my CEI girls sat me down and they said they wanted to give me some feedback on my videos. So I was like, okay, fine, took a seat at my teacher's desk, and then they gathered round, and I was like, okay, this might be nice. They'll say some nice things to me, like, oh, how I helped them with the exam and how they did very well and they understood and it was very useful. No, actually, no, that's not what happened. Their feedback was a little bit more brutal. And there's a short one as well, so there she is. Okay, didn't forget you. There you go. There you go. Not happy. So they were saying things like, apparently I'm going too fast through the questions, even though you can pause and rewind. But anyway, they said that I always say we did this in class, and I don't do the question, and apparently I'm supposed to do it again. So all right. And they say my videos are too short. They don't want many parts. They want me to explain every single question, even if it's going to take me hours. And I was like, okay. So I'll just let you know that your feedback has been noted and I will promptly ignore it. So let's get started. First things first, in a certain circuit, the current as a function of time is given here, here, and here, when t is measured in milliamps. And we did this in class, so no need to go through that one again. These two and this one has been cancelled, so no need to do it. Ohm's law, this is really easy, straightforward, and we of course have done this in class, and that is an easy question, so I don't need to do that again. And over here, this one is very nice, so you have to do this, cross-sectional area and the wire, you have to find the resistance, so you do the calculation and you'll get your answer. Okay, we managed to do a whole page. That concludes part 1 of 12 in our video, and catch up next time with me, and we will continue the rest of the videos. Thank you.